Janat, Janat, or something
Jan-
like that.
You were gonna
Jannat.
name me Jannat?
Not Janat.
We are Christmas themed.
What's up guys, it's Jay Slani, back again with another video, and in today's video we are going to be doing an updated Q&A where people have asked her questions on her Instagram because I forgot to put it on my Instagram. So it's one and the same thing. So
It's been such a long time since I have come on his channel and he has on mine because we live apart from each other
बकवास
and we live really far. And not like he had time for me when I was living with him, but it's like,
that's true though.
that's so sad.
That's
I
true.
really feel like a mother. I always say,
When are you coming and meeting me? When are you surprising me like on mom?
yeah, anyway, we're gonna jump into the Q&A because we've got some fun things. I think our followers are like almost the same and they ask the same question. So, what funny nicknames would you keep for each other? Monkey.
Jungly.
Jungly
Why did
is
we
like
come up with Jungly? I don't even know.
mom did. Like literally, we call each other Jungly. I don't even know why. Monkeys, I call everything cute monkey. I don't know why. It's like monkey. Who is your celebrity crush? Karina used to love.
I still love her, what are you saying?
Really?
In Hollywood I think it's Mila Kunis.
Mila Kunis is very cute.
Yeah, and in
So is the
Bollywood,
husband.
in Bollywood is Are that bro?
If you don't know her name, you don't crush on her.
No, I always it's forget it.
Bhumi Pednekar.
Bhumi Pednekar.
How did I know this? Different, like Karina is super like sexy and beautiful and ethereal, and Bhumi is like so cute and different, childish. I to like Shahid only, number one for Bollywood, and then
That
Hollywood.
ain't never changing.
Shahid Kapoor, and then Hollywood.
You see how the rustic look he's got now?
Yeah,
Looks
it's
damn nice.
so like, it's so like
Rugged.
rugged.
कंट्रोल
I like Bradley Cooper a lot, and
Oh, Bradley Cooper is this.
is
Bradley Cooper is like
stunning.
Hrithik Roshan from the
Oh
back.
yeah,
bro.
dude, he's like
They
stunning.
look the same.
Yeah, Bradley
Greek
Cooper,
god.
David Beckham. David Beckham is number one for me. Like
Realistic. Realistic.
it's crush,
Come down to earth.
dude. Karina, you gotta
Arey,
have crushes.
that's-
Crushes.
Arey, you want to meet her? You want to meet her?
No. Crushes means you can't get that type.
Arey.
How many siblings you have? We have three of us. I have an older brother
Yeah.
whose name is Jay, then me, then
J. Malvika.
But it's Jay Malvika Jay.
Why didn't mom and dad just keep a name with J for you as well? Like, why are you completely off the grid?
298 frozen patties later.
Hello?
Mom.
Amana.
Okay, mom, so we are recording a video and you're on the video right now. I have to ask you two questions.
Oh God.
Who do you love more, mom?
All of
No. We
you
know
gotta give
you love
one
me.
answer.
Sorry, I love all of them.
Mama, it's okay. He's not listening. I know you love me a little more. It's
If
fine.
you
don't
had to
care.
choose,
I
if you
love
had to
all of
choose.
them. What do you call? Seed in a pod.
See, three peas in a pod.
Like yeah, whatever it is. So I can't say I love this one. I love all of them.
Mom, yeah. We won't feel bad.
No, I don't know.
That's a mother answer.
All of them.
Okay, second question. If Jay's name starts with J, my name is Jake and it starts with J and it's also US kind, why is Ma's name suddenly with M and Indian?
Because one of my friends, she looked at Malvika. She's, oh my gosh, she looks like princess. What's her name? I said, I don't know. We planning to keep. I mean, we don't know which one. English name, Indian name, or English name. Then he said, no, looks like princess. You should keep her name Malvika.
Oh.
So I'm like, wow, that's a beautiful name. So we started calling Malvika. She's princess. Now she is princess. See?
She knew
Look at
that
her. She looks
Malvika
like
meant like princess. Wow.
Yeah. See,
And
calling princess.
my name?
Princess. Now you're princess.
Who named Jake? I think we just.
Jake, because
You saw
Dada
cake
said-
or something, right? You told me.
Dad said like, oh, if you settle in US, the Jake
Yeah,
name,
yeah, that's what he
it suits,
said.
you know, if I said Indian name like Janat, or something
Jan-
like that.
You were gonna
Jannat.
name me Jannat?
Not Janat, Jagat or
Jagat.
Bobby or something. Doesn't suit
Jaggi
me.
or something like that.
If Jake's name was Jagat,
We thought of settling in US, so I said Jake.
No offense, but I
always
was like that.
Actually, I've always wanted this kind of like a Jake and Joseph and Joshua and all that. I love these names.
Okay.
So that's why. And Jake के बारे में we just randomly kept
क्या करूं मैं मर जाऊं मेरी कोई फीलिंग नहीं है
Jake you lamba. Okay, Jake. This is a nice
Wow,
name.
it was a thoughtless process.
least effort, like just J.
Yeah.
We're
So
gonna send you
Jake
to the
name will
US.
be no, it's a perfect.
अरे इतना stress तो now तो I have to go to US.
Yes, you have
Your
to.
name identity was that. His identity
Yeah.
was given कि तू अमेरिका जाएगा बड़ा होकर.
मेरा बेटा
तो
US
जाना ही
जाएगा.
पड़ेगा भी. Okay.
So we have concluded
Yeah.
that mom loves me more. Thanks, mother.
I love all of y'all.
Edit,
Hmm.
edit,
So I said,
edit.
I know what is that? Three peed in a pot. So
3P.
3 peed in a pot.
peed, I didn't say pee.
Okay,
Anyway,
Mom.
Love you all.
Boy.
Bye.
Bye bye. 3 peed in a pot.
You peed in a pod. Oh my god. You have to type it out in text. How is the experience, Miles, with only brothers? Do you ever miss having a sister? I don't actually. Like I mean, I would love to have had a sister, but I feel like
I don't think she can miss having a sister because she doesn't know. I mean, like she
Yeah,
knows,
that's
but
it.
like she doesn't know how it is to have a sister. Like,
Correct.
well, in my case, I have both, so.
I love it because like they both are. I think they fill the gap of a sister. I don't know if that makes sense. Ew.
I don't feel like gap or nothing.
How different are you guys from each other? Dude, no, we are like mostly similar-ish, but my older brother is like different from the both of us.
Yeah,
Like
Jay is like different breed.
he's a different, like although he's a year apart from me and 9 years apart from Jake.
9
we-
years is a long time. But he's completely different. Like
He's more
completely
reserved
different.
and he's more like he's fun but different kind of fun. And Jake and I
He has like different interests and different things that he wants to do.
Do you guys fight? Me and my brother have 10-year gap and we fight like crazy. We are like 7 years or 8 years apart.
Yeah, and I don't know what people fight about. Like
What?
we say this in every video, but I genuinely don't know.
What do you
Like,
fight
like,
about?
What do you like? What?
Maybe we get like upset like for 1 second, but then I'm just like I can't stand it. I'm just like no, sorry sir. Like I just can't.
We just like end up being like yeah, whatever.
Is Jake younger than you? Yeah, like.
Yeah,
7
do I look
years.
older?
How did your parents know about Jake's first girlfriend and how did they react? Who was your first official girlfriend?
My first official girlfriend was Sakshi Oli.
What
There's
rubbish!
no unofficial girlfriend that I've had.
People you don't introduce us to. That's unofficial.
But I've never dated anybody else.
In fact, we to want to meet. Yeah, we're like, "Arey, call, but they like, boys just like keep them away for the longest time before they call them because I don't know why.
औरत का चक्कर बाबू भैया औरत का चक्कर बहुत बेकार होता है
Were you guys allowed to go late night? Okay, let me tell you something. I had a strict curfew and I, like a good girl, stuck to it. 7 p.m. means 7 p.m. I have to come up. But Jake is like, he'll come up at 7 p.m. and then later at night he will sneak. You have snuck out how many times? You have the ball.
तेरे पास कोई और रास्ता है
Remember when I was 11 years old or 12 years old, I snuck out that BMW. Like I drove off, bro. Like I drove off.
When you were?
11 or 12.
That's not possible.
Yeah, I
How
drove.
could you know how to drive at 12?
I drove when I was 10. Jay caught me. And then Jay didn't tell mom and dad when,
You
but
took
then
his BMW
I
and
just
went
left,
away?
Bro. I just
Where did you go?
I don't know how I had the guts to do that. I just drove till town and I came back. And I parked it also, then I came up. And I said that I went to Aryan's house.
12
and
years old?
then dad came down and found the mat inside the car a little bit tilted. And he's like, fishy. Then nothing. After that he asked me and I told him that yeah. I took
You
it
did?
out.
You confessed?
Because the watchman said कि हाँ छोटू लेके गया गाड़ी.
Then?
Then I don't remember clearly what happened, but then he just fired the living crap out of me.
He did?
Yeah.
Oh my, he does shit like this. This is so cool. He's done a lot of crap in his life and I don't have any stories. Yeah, he has like messed up stories, but that's cool.
Hey man, aren't we cool?
Apart from the college life that he didn't have, he fulfilled his...
यही तो यादें बाद में याद आएंगी. Which body shaver do you use and face shaver too?
Which body shaver you use?
Body shaver, I don't use any body shaver. I just use a blade.
Body shaver for your body, full body. Blade.
Yeah.
Small
I
blade.
mean, oh no, like trimmer. I like Philips, I guess.
And what's blade? You don't know what shaving
The
brand?
Venus blade.
Venus, yeah, even I use Venus.
The one that you don't need soap for.
Even I
That's
very
the best.
mild,
That's
you
the best.
guys, but
like
yeah.
to like shave on top of the tattoos and stuff, like class.
Jake is older than Jay? No!
From which angle?
He's such a
From which
bachu! How
angle?
can you? I can't understand how people can get there. Have you beaten up your brothers?
Yes, you have.
I am not.
Yes,
Jay.
yes, you have. Clearly remember this once you were giving your 10th board exams. Remember?
I beat you? I would
No,
never beat you.
you like whacked me at the back. You were studying for your 10th boards and I kept on like coming inside and playing music, and then you said, Jake, I swear if you don't get out of the room, I will kill you. And mom
Do
was
you
like,
remember that?
yeah, I remember you saying that, and mom was like, oh my god, calm down. And then I came again and did it, and then you just threw something on my back or something.
Okay,
Like a
whose
book.
fault is that? You like,
She didn't whack me, but yeah, she sort of whacked me.
you provoked me. How else do I like react? Which
Was-
bro you're more close to? I'm close to both of them in very different ways. Like Jake, I'm very close to and I can talk to at any point and he'll reply.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल
Jay takes thoda sa time and like, you know, he's
Jay
in
takes
his
his
own
own sweet
zone.
time.
Yeah, he's in his own world. Yeah, I don't know, but he's cool.
Have you ever blamed your sibling for a mistake? For example, you broke something and blamed him.
No, it was too childish. I didn't think we lived our sibling life properly.
Yeah, dude, we gotta do so
We
much
didn't
shit.
beat each other. We didn't fight each other. Like that.
Yeah,
was
like
very...
the maximum that we probably might have done something is that when we chipped the wall.
That is so stupid.
That's the maximum we've done.
Can you believe? Just because we chipped the wall, people do crazy shit. What's the best about being each other's siblings?
Is
That-
that we don't have to try to gel together?
Many people have that problem though.
Yeah, exactly. So we don't have to. So that's the best part.
Yeah, we don't have to. And honestly, it's like, if I have no one, not like he's the last resort, but I know that Jake would just be like, yeah, come na. Like, he'd be like up for anything apart from when he's busy. But he's up to chill, he's up to hang, like go somewhere, stay over, like. So they are like your pillow, like your cushions. When anything happens, I'll go to Jay and Jake's house and chill. Like, you know, that's like a thing you can fall on 100%. So that's like a pretty cool thing. You have like friends in your family. A secret which you haven't told your brother and sister. I have no secrets in life. Maybe
Secrets
Jake
I
has had like a
have.
million girlfriends and he's hiding it from us.
Well, who do you think I am?
Do you ever feel insecure about your nose? I don't know who
No.
you're asking because I have quite a big...
I don't feel insecure at all about my nose. I breathe in more air than you do. Shade.
Just because your nostril is bigger. Who is the baby out of you three?
I think I am.
Yeah, she definitely is. Gru's daughter and Despicable Me. Like that is the like if she was a cartoon, that'd be her.
Good driving skills, Jake. Since he told you we drove at 12.
No,
that
no one
army-
actually taught me driving. It's just because the Honda Civic that we had was automatic. Like you didn't have to change the gear. So I used to play
So you
Grand.
just, like, had
so
that guts
I,
to go and sit.
So this game I used to play on PS5 or PS4, PS4, which was Grand Theft Auto, and it had like the inside car view where the guy's hand is shown when he's driving the car. So the spacing of the car on the right, left, I used to just like drive the entire day, and then I was like,
You're telling
you know what,
me-
I just might know it, and then I just took Jay's car out.
You're telling me you learn how to drive from Grand Theft Auto and not hiring someone from a driving
Honestly.
school. Don't you think Jake and Selena have a good chemistry? You are laughing.
Because you don't have to say it in that way, it's just a normal question.
Apparently, they're both friends.
Best friends. If best friends don't have good chemistry, then who'll have good chemistry?
Yes.
Did Jake ever try WWE stunts on you? No, we have. No.
We should wrestle, bro. We should do a video of just wrestling.
This is the money. If the money gets broken,
Weirdest thing you guys have experienced together.
What have we experienced on vacation? I don't remember.
Weirdest.
We need to go out.
Yeah, we need to go on a trip, guys, to be very honest. We don't remember much.
Is Jake single or committed? That's the question everyone wants to know. Ew. Are you committed?
I ain't committed. I was committed.
He's single as single can get.
I'm single as a Pringle.
Did Jake have a crush on Mal's girlfriend? Did you crush on any of my girlfriends? Did you?
I don't remember half your girlfriends.
because I don't have any.
I just have 3. No, I think he crushed on his teachers, not on my girlfriends. Did Jake and Akhil get along very well? Yeah. Jake and Akhil get along very well.
Instant click.
They have a lot of similarity. Akhil becomes a kid when he's with Jake. Like, he loves the feeling of that whole mystery teenager. I don't know, he just feels like super young when he sits with Jake. He is young, but yeah. The best city you 3 went to? Vegas. No, I don't know. New York. I like London actually because Primark was there.
I like Cancun the most.
Mexico. He remembers a lot because it just happened for you. Like, my memory is gone. Is Jake inspired by you to become a YouTuber? No, he started YouTube first.
I forced her to make videos.
Did you?
Yeah,
Akhil
I
said
told
he
you
does.
shoot. Kuch bhi, yeah. Matlab, everybody wants to take
Take
credit
credit
now.
for. This is the
Kuch
thing.
bhi.
He says he did. Akhil says he did. I don't know. No, he used to film a lot and upload on YouTube. That I can tell you. Way
I used to do it
before.
for fun. I was like honestly not even serious about it. I should just do it in my free time. I still do it in my free time. One time we saved each other's asses when we chipped the ball.
Oh my god, that is just the highlight of our life only. Please let's do something more bad first so we can
That's
look
the
cool.
standard answer.
What is one advice you'd give each other? Whoa. Wait, I would advise him to definitely get his schedule on point because his
Yeah.
lifestyle is all over the place, you guys. I don't remember the last time he has slept at 11 p.m., woke up at 8, ate breakfast. Like, he has no
Yeah, I had
schedule.
breakfast today at 9.
Okay, because that's a one-off in like literally 14 years. I don't know when he has had a beautiful setup, like routine. So he doesn't have a routine. That's my problem, and we keep advising him like you'll be so much more productive if you had a routine, and you know you'd eat better, look better, feel better, work out. Because he wants to do a lot of these activities like cycling, learning more editing, but he just needs to get his
Agreed.
time.
Agreed.
So he knows it, still he doesn't do it. That's my advice to him.
My advice would be sometimes she gets too worked up.
Oh,
So she needs to chill a little bit
that's such a cute advice.
in terms of reacting to some certain stuff.
Okay.
Like you need a chill. That's it actually.
That's
Yeah.
How are you so comfortable with each other about every awkward and weird topic you talk about? How do you know we talk about weird topics?
And who else would you talk to about it?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know.
If
I
it's not
think,
your brother, sister, or your friend, like who else would you talk to about it?
yeah, I mean, I'm okay. I think the part, look, I think your siblings would be comfortable talking to you or not awkward if you're like not judgmental with them. Like if you just keep an open door and allow them to tell you whatever they want to tell you, I think, you know, if you just like pile on them and ask them questions and beat them down and judge them, then they're not going to come to you at any point. So yeah, just be open-minded and non-judgmental. That's my advice to you. Are you very protective as an older sister? Jake, answer that.
She's my bodyguard.
See, all our childhood photos. I'm always holding him like he's
In
gonna
every
melt.
childhood photo, she's holding me the same way in the same position also. Like this.
Like I feel like he's gonna fall off. We have
Let us know in the
no-
comment section if you want us to recreate our childhood photos.
You're so much taller than me now. Does Jake miss your presence at home?
Yeah, it's actually quite lonely. You know, it's too quiet.
Is it?
It's too quiet.
Really?
There's just 24/7 rap playing, but that's a different scene. But it's still quiet. Like
Even Akhil's parents say
It's
the
just
same
pin
thing.
drop
They're like,
silence.
when you're not there, the house is so quiet. Am I noisy?
very. You're squeaky. My ears hurt. Jake, do you like makeup? Yeah, I mean, yeah, why not? Would you like to see Malvika's makeup videos? I do. I edit some of them. What do you think about it? It's good, and I think I should do her makeup now. Enough of questions.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Dude, that is so loud.
It tickles.
Wait, just before I end this video, guys, I would like to take a second to thank the sponsors for this video. The sponsor for this week's video is Mama Earth. This time they sent me these amazing sheet masks in this like amazing pouch. Check it out. They sent me actually one for every day of the week. There's so many, and there's one for every type of skin. There's one for clear and glowing skin. There's one for soft and plumpy skin. There's one for skin awakening. There's one for skin illumination. There's one for fine lines and wrinkles. There's one for glowing skin, and there's one for skin brightening. Which one should I choose? Something really cool about these masks is that they are India's first bamboo-based sheet mask, which makes them skin and environmentally friendly. Fun fact, all these masks come with 9 times serum hydration.
Oh my god, are you serious?
Yes. Okay, so there are so many I clearly can't decide, so I'm just gonna randomly pick one with my eyes shut. Okay, I got the rose water bamboo sheet mask for glowing skin. I'm gonna quickly go and apply this. So I'm gonna use sulfate-free face wash before I use the sheet mask to get all the dirt out, and then I'm gonna put the sheet mask. Guys, all of Mamaearth products are completely chemical free and made up of natural ingredients. Not only that, they're also toxin free. The best part I like about Mamaearth as a brand is that they're not only about goodness inside their products, but also in the values of their business. Because every time you purchase from them, they will link your order on the website to a tree that you have planted because you've purchased a product from them. They'll send you a picture and the exact geolocation of that tree. Like, that's so freaking cool. If you want to consider checking any of these products out or any of these masks or anything else, there's a link in the description box below. Don't forget to go to their website and check it out. And if you want to save some money on these products, then you can use the code JAKE2020. It's going to be right here on the screen. You can save 20% off on any of their products. They're available on Amazon, Flipkart, and on Mamaearth. Alright guys, that is it for today's Q&A video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you got some of the answers. Although we need to go on a trip so that we have better answers for the trip questions.
And we have better like memories
yeah,
and shit. You need
dude,
to
I feel
prank
like-
me and I need to hit you.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Let me know in the comment section what can I do to prank her.
I will read all
And
of them.
I'm gonna block you from the channel. And I'm pretty sure you guys already know her channel. If you don't, then it's gonna be in the description box below. So check it out and like, share, and
subscribe. Not now.
Do you still get tickled? I don't know you get tickled. What the hell? I didn't know you get tickled, bro.
Jake, I can't do this challenge.